Hi guys, it's that time again where we are baking bread, and I have these are my ingredients. I have eggs, all-purpose flour, I have sugar, I have salt, I have this hard mixer, I have yeast, and then with me I have my baking partners. She wants to start it in sugar. Shiro, come this side. Yeah, so we have all these, and I have these. I have my measuring cups. I have these to sieve the flour and all that stuff. I have these. I have these. I have these. I have these, my baking pans. And I think I have everything. If I need anything else, I'll be going for it. Meanwhile, let's get started. And we are doing this from outside. That's why there's so much noise. We are doing it in the compound. So, get ready. Oh, guys, I forgot to inform you that I didn't carry milk. I have milk with me here. And I also have hot water. Yeah, that's what I had forgotten to bring with me when I was starting. Well, I haven't started, but I had forgotten to come with these two ingredients, very important ingredients. So here with me is some warm water, 1 cup of warm water. So I'm putting 3 tablespoonfuls of yeast in my 1 cup of warm water. I'm not even going to use my measuring cups because my baking partner has decided to take them. I don't know to where. If you look at this flour, you can see it's very fine because that's why we are using a sieve to ensure that we do not have any lumps inside here. When we are kneading, it will be easier for us. So I said we'll put all the dry ingredients together. For salt, I'm going to use very little. So 3 tablespoons. And we are going to mix this. 5 minutes later, we have this. This is how our water mixed with this looks like. And we are going to pour it here. I'm going to add my milk. All of it, even milk, I just measured with my eyes. It's warm. And now we are going to knead this for around 10 minutes. I'm not even going to use my hand mixer because I want to do it faster. So now I'm going to oil my container and do it manually. I was kneading this and I did it for 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave my dough about 1 hour. This is how my dough looks like. See how risen it has. Wow. So I'm going to oil my baking pan. You have to appear. Shiro, ulikuwa wapi? I'm just oiling my baking pan so that when I put my dough here, after baking, it's going to come out smoothly with no much struggle. So this is how my dough looks like. See, it's not sticky. And that was the essence of putting it here, leaving it for 1 hour. And now I'm going to shape it. And now I'm going to bake it for 1 hour. For 25 minutes.